on the political fight in Jharkhand, where remember phase 2 of polls happen on November 20th. Home Minister Amit Shah campaigning in Jharkhand has attacked the JMM over infiltrators, alleging that the JMM's focus is on letting infiltrators into Jharkhand and going ahead and snatching land that belongs to the people of Jharkhand. Remember, previously Home Minister Amit Shah, while speaking on this, even said that the BJP will ensure anti-infiltration law.
हेमंत सरकार का ध्यान झारखंड में कल कारखाने लगे इसके लिए नहीं है, बिजली बनकर यहां से जाए इसके लिए नहीं है। उनका ध्यान केवल और केवल घुसपैठियों को घुसाने के लिए है, घुसपैठियों को घुसाने के लिए। ये घुसपैठिए झारखंड में आते हैं, हमारी भोली भाली बच्चियों से दूसरी शादी, तीसरी शादी, चौथी शादी करते हैं और उनकी जमीन हड़प लेते हैं, जमीन हड़प लेते हैं।
Okay, let's bring in Satyajit, who's joining us live with more details on this. Satyajit, for the BJP, the big buzzword this election season in Jharkhand seems to be the issue of infiltrators. How is the JMM countering this?
Look, JMM has always been saying that this is none of their issues. This is an international issue. The international border is being looked after by center, and this is the failure of center. They have miserably failed to control the infiltration. How they are crossing over and coming to Jharkhand. This is none of their business. But at the same time, Amit Shah and other big stalwarts of BJP have maintained that the infiltrators come from the porous border. They come to Bengal and they easily enter to Jharkhand, and the complicity of the officers and others could be there. And once they enter, they eye how to marry a tribal girl and then how to grab their land. Initially, it was a love jihad, then it has turned into a land grabbing, land jihad. So BJP has been constantly and consistently raking up this issue right from the word go, when the entire process started 3-4 months back. And JMM is being countering that we are going to enforce SPT and CNPT Act, will enforce it strongly. And whereas the BJP says, they said in their Sankalp Patra also, once they are back into power, they will enforce a law that the infiltrators are not allowed. And on the other hand, how the rights of tribal girls and how the rights of tribals are protected. Only
Satyajit, just stay with me. There's